Namaste and very good afternoon to Principal Ma'am, to Chairman Sir, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, coordinators, my colleagues, and all the participants. I feel deeply honored to be your host and host for today's session. I welcome you all to this wonderful platform of Back to the Roots session. May I now request Principal Ma'am to address the attendees?
Thank you, Vinash. Welcome to Tisha. She has been an extraordinary girl when it comes to her sincerity towards her duties, towards studies, very well mannered, a value oriented girl. So, we are so excited to have you on this platform, Tisha. God bless you. We are looking forward to this interaction. All the best to Avinash and Tisha both.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can we begin? Shall we?
Yes, please.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. So, Tisha, before I should say anything for Tisha, I would like to quote her with the humble ones are always learning and improving, and their secret is always that it's a secret. So yes, true. Tisha is one of the girl who is very silent, sincere, and very humble towards each and every one, towards her work. With this, I would like to welcome Tisha with a very, very huge round of applause. And I request everyone to please welcome Tisha with a school clap. Okay. With this, I would also like to add something about Tisha. She has several achievements to her credit. But before that, I request Amit sir to please play the video. Amit sir. Uh, Amit sir, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. I'm just sharing my screen. I think it's stuck up. Just a
Okay,
moment.
okay sir, okay. Thank you, Amit sir. Wow, what a beautiful memories, right, Tisha?
Yes,
Would you
ma'am.
like to say something? How
It
do
was
you
all
feel?
it was all nostalgia flashing back, all those 7 years spent together.
Oh, great, great. Uh, uh, ma'am, would you like to say something, Principal ma'am? How do
It was nostalgic to see Tisha growing over the years here and being a part of every co-curricular activity, academics, sports, and whatever was possible. So lovely to refresh those memories. Please go ahead.
great. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, so now let's have a look on Tisha's achievements. She has won first prize in she has won first prize in Bharat Vikas Parishad in Hindi and second in Sanskrit and third in folk categories music competition in grade 8. Wow. She has participated in many drawing and poster making inter-school competitions since grade 5 until grade 10. And I really appreciate Tisha. You have passion for drawing, painting, and I have seen some of them in the school as well. So great, great work. And she has won many of them. She has also won many prizes in sports day and participated regularly in all annual days. The list is long. She has won DSO volleyball in 8th, 9th, and 10th and went to inter-school volleyball competition. She has become the vice captain in ninth standard of Agnya House and house captain of Agnya House again in 10th standard and still the alumni mentor for council members. Wow, Tisha, the list is so long that I feel time is less and I'll go on and go on. But still, I have to. I should not forget this. She has mostly 100% attendance throughout the year, which is very well appreciated. And you know, teachers really like that, a regular student and a sincere student. And you were one of the favorite. Yes?
It was
So,
all because of those loving teachers.
yes, it's moreover, it's more about you as well, how you behave or how you are. It really depends, right? Okay. So, Tisha, how do you feel to be part of this program?
It feels so good again to refreshing all those memories, all those nostalgia coming back. It's the same feeling that gives that used to be in the classroom when I'm sitting with my friends, my loving teachers,
So, you really miss your school?
interacting.
You really miss your
Yes, ma'am.
All right, great, great. Okay, so Tisha, I'll be taking you to some question and answering round. All right, so you ready? Okay,
Sure,
let's
ma'am.
go. Okay, so first, we all would like to know something about you. Which field you have chosen now, like after your schooling?
I am currently in 12th grade. I have taken science,
Okay.
and I'm planning to pursue medical,
Oh wow, but this was my next question.
becoming
What
a
are your
doctor.
future plans? You okay? Okay. So, what efforts are you taking to fulfill them? Fulfill them.
Currently, I am practicing for the NEET examination for the upcoming year.
So that
Uh,
sincerity is
Regular
still going
study.
on, right? Great,
Yes, ma'am.
great, very good. Okay. Tisha, we would like to hear about your school journey after you left the school.
I would say major of the journey was during the school, as in I haven't got chance to participate in any more co-curricular activities or sports as much as it was in the school. I have not even touched volleyball since I've left the school.
Oh, why?
The college doesn't have so much like the
Oh,
school provided.
your sports teacher
It
might
is all
also.
studies.
Okay, your sports teachers also might be missing you. The champ of volleyball, I can say. All right. Great, great. Good to
Not
hear.
really the champ.
Not really a champ, but see so many certificates and so many achievements really call you, really make me to call you as a champ. Makes me feel to call you as a champ. All right. Okay, Tisha, next. What are the activities or curricular activities and achievements that you remember from the school time?
There are a lot of activities which we have done, be it art field, going into the art room, sitting for hours, painting posters, helping sir, or be it sports ground. Everybody, our batch was one batch which never missed sports period. We used to fight. We really love sports. Um, be it studies also, we had everything well balanced. We used to study at the time of study, we used to play at the time of playing. So everything, I can't point out one thing which I truly miss. It's everything.
Okay, so you remember your sir? Who was your drawing sir?
Yeah, Kiran
Who?
sir.
Kya Kiran sir? Okay, all right, great. Okay, so you still cherish those memories, right? When you sit
Yes, ma'am.
alone. Okay, great, great, wonderful. Okay, Tisha, please share your experience as house captain and vice captain for Agnaya House.
Being the house and vice captain helped me grow as a person. It made me feel like I was a part of something big. It was also a responsibility in general, leading the whole team. So it helped me develop my leadership skills and it made me confident. Today, I am able to speak to such a large gathering. Is somewhere I would credit being the house captain and vice captain somewhere. Every day coming into the assemblies, weekly speaking, then guiding the whole team.
Okay,
So it has been a fantastic journey.
okay. Okay, when I was discussing about you from like your teachers, your old teachers, I just came to know that in the school she was very humble, she was very shy. Actually, वो सब करती थी, उसको पढ़ना था, सब she was very sincere in her work and all things, but still वो बहुत चुप रहती थी and all. But right now, as you said, कि ma'am, now I'm speaking in front of the gathering and all, so it's a huge change, right? What we
Yes,
personally
ma'am.
get we come to know when we are out of the school, and in the
Yeah.
school even if we are shy, our teachers try to push us, no, go ahead, but very good. As whatever I have heard, I can see a big change, huh, Tisha? Thank
Yes,
you so
ma'am.
much. Okay, next question, Tisha. What do you consider as the strength of Ram Ratna International School?
The biggest strength would be one is we are not a school, we are family. It's just leaving one house and coming to another house. You feel valued. You know everybody understands you. I was somewhere quiet maybe because people understood me without saying. All my teachers used to be there for me, be it even my colleagues as in classmates. They everybody has been there, and that is one of the biggest strengths which I did not find in the outside world. Like in the college you're not feel so valued like you are in the school.
Yeah, truly correct, very correct. Okay, next. Tisha, I would like to know, like, the parents play the biggest role in shaping our lives, as we all know, right? What life lessons have your parents given you?
My parents have always said, like, no matter where you go in life, be humble and stay to the ground. It is because you've reached there due to a lot of people who have helped you get there.
That's why my introduction was for you on your humble behavior, if you have noticed that, because I've heard a lot about you. All right. Okay. Too many questions, Tisha? Getting bored? No, fine.
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, but I feel let's have a twist, and I'll take you to some fun and brainstorming game. Okay,
Okay,
ready?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's request all participants, if they wish to answer, they can drop their answers in the chat box. I'll present my screen. Just a minute. Okay, is my presentation started? Okay, my screen is visible.
Yes,
Tisha,
ma'am.
my screen is visible to you? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so the name of the game is Pehchan Kaun. All right, let me take
Yes, ma'am.
back to your school. And okay, so I'll be sharing some pictures on my screen. I'll be presenting some picture on my screen. Okay, Tusha, you need to identify, and once you identify, I'll be asking you some question related to that picture. All right, Tusha,
Okay, ma'am.
ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here we
Ready.
go. Identify your teacher or some of the member of the school, any of the member.
Dhanashri, ma'am, maybe?
Maybe Dhanashri ma'am. Correct. It's Dhanashri ma'am. Okay, so I would like to know from you one special thing you remember about this teacher. As today is Smiley Wednesday, okay, so I would love to bring smile on all my colleagues, my principal ma'am, sir, everyone. I would love to bring smile on their faces today, and I'm really loving your smile right now. So you need to tell
Thank you,
me,
ma'am.
yes, you need to tell me one special thing you remember about this teacher. And I guess the teacher will be here only. She will be here.
Um,
She will be here only.
Dhanashri, ma'am. Dhanashri, ma'am has been with me for around a long time. She was since fifth. She used to teach us three subjects in fifth. And as per I've known, she has been the most humble teacher. She's always there for you. You ask doubts, you ask her to explain many times.
Oh
She'll
wow.
be ready, be it any lecture. She'll ask you, she'll even ask, she'll like, when do you have free time? And she will take out time from a busy schedule just for the students.
Wow. Dhanashri ma'am, are you there?
Uh,
Dhanashri ma'am. Yes,
Namaste.
Dhanashri ma'am
Namaste.
is here.
Yes, Avinash ma'am.
Ma'am, would
I'm
you like
here.
to say anything to
Uh,
whatever Tisha said?
I can just say thank you, Tisha. And yeah, I'll say
Man should be
something about
thanking
Tisha
you.
towards the
Yes,
end.
yes, yes. Okay, sure, ma'am. Thank you.
You've
So,
always been
Tisha,
there.
let's get ready for the next picture.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, Avinash, ma'am, it's visible.
Yes.
Uh, I can't recall the name right now. It's on the tip of my tongue.
Okay. How
He's
should
the
I say?
primary coordinator.
He's a primary coordinator. I was about
Greg,
to.
sir.
What?
Oh,
What?
Greg, sir.
Excellent. Yes, it's correct, sir. Correct. So, Tisha, now again a question. Okay, one thing or any moment you remember, like in the class with Greg sir, like you asked any doubt or anything, any funny thing or any whatever comes to your mind.
Greg, sir. He's quite disciplined. Personally was scared of him at the very beginning.
Okay. Yes, you're correct. Greg sir is very disciplined. Being a teacher, I can say yes, Greg sir is very disciplined, and it's really good to be disciplined, right?
Yeah, in a
Yes.
good way. In a good way.
Yeah, yeah, in a good way. Yes. Okay, Tisha. Let's move to next slide. Come on, Tisha.
Avinash,
Yes, ma'am.
I would, sorry, I would suggest don't, exit the mode of screen
Okay.
sharing or full screen again and again. Otherwise, it takes a lot of time to do all the adjustments again.
Okay, ma'am. All right, ma'am. All right.
I can't identify this one. It's
Okay.
either
And
Asmita ma'am.
no. Anyone?
Hridaya has written the answer in the chat box. It's
Priyanka ma'am,
Priyanka
please
Jain,
can
ma'am.
you read? Yes,
Yeah, it's
yes,
she. Hridaya has written it's Priyanka Jain, ma'am.
yes. It's Priyanka Jain, ma'am. Okay. Tisha, what would you like to say about Priyanka ma'am? If you want to express anything to Priyanka ma'am in one word, what you will say?
Storyteller. She's the
Great.
storyteller.
Wow.
Whenever she
Beautiful.
comes in the class, she brings awesome stories, different novels, be it from a personal life or fiction or non-fiction.
Okay. Great, great. Okay. Next.
Kiran sir.
It was easy? Yes, Kiran sir.
It's Kiran sir.
Kiran sir. Okay, your best time with Kiran sir. Can you share any moment?
That would be during sports day and annual day when he gives a whole lot of uh, managing work to me,
Okay.
be it getting things done from other people or myself.
Okay. Great, great. Next,
Principal ma'am.
with a beautiful smile. True. Whatever comes to your mind. I'll not ask any question. Whatever comes to your mind about
She's
ma'am.
the head of the family and she plays every part, be it mom, dad, even elders, head. She plays everything. She's an all-rounder and she's a true inspiration of mine.
Correct. True. Very true, Tisha. Okay. Next.
Smita ma'am.
Very good. So Tisha, आपको कभी डांट पड़ी है स्मिता मैम से?
बहुत बार. I was one lazy person in terms to writing homework and completing my notebooks. And Smita ma'am
Oh,
was very particular about deadlines.
yes, no doubt. Correct. But she's very loving. It's true. She's
Yeah.
very caring, very loving. Okay. Next.
Asha ma'am.
Or you have not done any work and you're in front of Asha ma'am, I would like you to say any dialogue or anything what she used to say during the class.
Asha, I remember particularly anybody who maybe disturbs the class, she will shout out the name of the person and then show eyes to them. But then we'll make such faces that she'll eventually end up laughing in the class.
Okay. Great, great, great. So you remember all of them, huh? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. She could never be strict with us.
Good. Next picture, Tisha.
It's a bit- Again, Grexa maybe.
No. I'll take Gregson. I have taken Gregson only one time.
Dinesh Bhaiya. Yeah.
Yes. Correct. Yes, it's Dinesh Bhaiya. Okay. Um, what you have learned from him?
I have seen him. He's the most hardworking. He's never relaxing. He's always on his toes, working around. I've never seen him time pass or leisure. He's always working. He's so hardworking, and he's so sincere.
Yes, true. Very well said, Tisha. I hope you enjoy the game. Okay, second. Okay, so now Tisha will get back to our questions. I hope you are relaxed and have enjoyed the game. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's move to our next question, Tisha. Um, what learnings from school do you think have helped you to sail smoothly through the challenges of the outside world?
One is truly communication, like all those competitions which have, or be it, school has always given an open stage to everyone. You can come up on any time. It's just the school waits for you to speak. Like, I want this stage. That has helped me a lot, keeping my words clear, keeping my thoughts clear to somebody through communication. Public speaking is also one of them, which the school has helped a lot. I remember I used to fumble so much during the speeches during the school times, but today there is a difference for sure. Then it has also taught me a lot of leadership skills to take charge, responsibility, and as well as it has given me exposure to the outside world being in the school during the inter-school competitions.
Great,
So
very well said,
there's a
Tisha.
list that goes on, but that's quite long.
I can understand. Okay, Tisha. Next question. How is outside world different from school?
Outside world, like I said, the school is like my family, and the outside world is not that much of a family. You are an outsider when it comes to outside. You are not so valued. You are not heard every time, and you have to learn to uh, keep your own words. You have to stand for yourself. The
True.
school was like a shelter, but then once you come out of the shells, you have to be ready to face the world.
Yes, correct. Very good. Okay. Would you like to give any message or to your juniors or your juniors?
It is quite cliche, but I would say enjoy your school years truly. Those are the best times. Those are truly the best times, and they never come back.
Yes. Yes. Okay. What are your best memories of school days?
There are so many. Best ones would be the sports day and annual days. It was everything. It was just like a big family function happening together. You study, you dance, uh, fool around, enjoy.
Okay. Great. Great. Okay, Tisha, did you ever get chance to have breakfast principal, ma'am? And if yes, how was your
Yeah,
experience?
it was amazing. It feels you valued. It is like I have not personally seen any principal take so much of efforts knowing each and every student by name, what is happening, the progresses, the drawbacks. I have not seen such a principal who's invested so much into her kids.
Wow.
And even during the breakfast with principal, she used to make sure, she used to be like a mother. She used to make sure also to feed us, like, have more.
True. Correct. Very good. Okay. Something funny that you can recollect and share with us.
Something funny. I remember once when I was on the volleyball court, during lunch hours. We used to play every the lunch break was quite long, so we used to finish our lunch earlier and we used to go down to the volleyball court and play downstairs. There was one time somebody called me from behind, and as I turned to look behind, the ball hit me in the face. That was embarrassing and funny at the same time.
Okay. All right, great. Um, what is that one thing about school that you miss the most?
I miss the school. There's no one thing.
Okay, I can
It is everything, be it the class, lectures, those teachers, the fun, games, swimming, anything you talk about. There's not single thing that I can point out. It's a full box of treasure.
great, great. Okay. If you're given a chance, would you want to come back to school for a day?
For sure, ma'am. I'll be waiting when I'm getting the opportunity.
Okay, all right, all right. Okay, how can alumni contribute to the school?
The alumni can contribute a lot by the experience through the school times, what they have learned or what they felt was missing, maybe. Or they can even give an outer perspective to the school, what beholds in the future, be it in terms of studies or exposure to the world.
Wow. Okay, the last one. What can school do to keep the connection strong with the alumni?
School can have a lot of sessions, just like we're having one. It's quite nostalgia and refreshing. Or we can also have like we had plantation drive, wherein we helped the environment also, but we reconnected also. Or the school can keep events with workshop and activities where we learn something and we do stuff, but we also reconnect.
Wow, wonderful thoughts, Disha. It was like great knowing you more and more. Uh, and it's true, you're very sincere, intelligent, down to earth, as I can see each and everything on your face actually right now. Yeah, I hope I hope you enjoyed the conversation between us. Now, I may request um, the teachers, if they would like to express.
Yeah, namaste. This is Usha Pujari. Namaste, Avinash. Namaste, ma'am. Namaste, everyone. Namaste, sir.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, Tisha. So, Tisha, your enchanting smile. Just keep up that beautiful smile. And I remember you always with that smile. You know, you always had that smile, always very calm. Yes, everyone we can see from the list of your achievements, always sincere and active. But then you have worked towards it silently. You were silent. I mean, there was like your reactions or whatever, or like you were very silent, very calm, respectful, respecting all the teachers. And yes, artwork, I would say, I remember your cards. I remember your cards for Teachers' Day, and I still have them. Okay, so, and yes, you have really grown very confident the way you're speaking. I remember in school, sometimes you used to become nervous, but you never, that smile never left your face. You know? And you were a good speaker. You used to come ahead, take part in everything. So I wish you all the best. Keep your smile intact, and God bless you. And just move ahead and be confident. And I just bless you. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Usha ma'am. Anyone else would like to say anything?
Hi, Tisha. Tisha, hi. Smita ma'am here.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, Tisha. How are you?
Hi, ma'am.
So nice to see you after such a long time, and so nice to hear you give such wonderful presentation. I mean, the way you have spoken today, proper usage of words to express your thoughts so well, to express your emotions so well. Amazing, amazing change we can see in you. And I agree completely to what you said. You becoming the vice captain of Agnya House actually brought huge change in your personality. So, I mean, we are really amazed the way you have changed yourself, the way you have brought that confidence into you, and you have always been very sincere about your responsibilities. So that's a very common thing. Everybody knows about it. So, extremely proud of you, Tisha. Keep smiling this way always, always, and wish you all the best in your life. Everything. Wish you everything, everything the best.
Thank you
Okay.
so much, ma'am. It means a lot.
Take care, dear. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Any other teacher?
Hello,
Yes,
Avinash ma'am.
yes,
I
ma'am.
would like
Yes.
to speak. Hello, Diksha.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm also good. I'm very happy to see you today over here. Talking about you, everybody knows you're very humble, you're calm, and I've always seen you helping others. Means always you're helping. You used to help your classmates, and when you used to help others, and that smile, always that smile was there on your face. So we could make out. So while helping others, you used to enjoy that thing, and that was a great thing. I've seen yours. You used to be so focused on any task was given to you. um, there's lot many things to talk about you. Always be happy, be smiley, and all the best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Any other teacher would like to express anything?
Avinash ma'am,
Yes,
Champa
Champa.
ma'am here.
Tisha is
Namaste
crying.
sir, namaste ma'am. Namaste everyone. Uh, so yes, definitely as I have seen little journey of Tisha where she was always been kind, helpful, humble, everything. And moreover, she was always there for everyone. Like whether it could be helping classmates or helping teachers. So that's really make her achieve more things in a positive way. So keep smiling, Tisha. And still, that class, I miss this whole batch, even though I have taught another batch after this batch. But I miss that class. Whenever I used to pass through the class, I always feel like still those students are sitting over there. Still, I remember that Tisha, Sonali, and other classmates are still there on the first or the second batch. So really, that was one of the wonderful moment I miss. So God bless you, Tisha. Keep growing, keep smiling. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, we miss you all, teachers also. Wish we had a time machine and we could come back.
True, true, Tisha. Okay. If I guess Tisha, you have your friends also here, right? Can see Hridaya,
Yes, ma'am.
uh, Anisha. Anyone would like to say anything?
Yes, ma'am, I would like to say namaste to everyone. Uh, Tisha, I've been with her since fourth grade, and she is so sweet and always approachable, be it to her friends or her juniors or even teachers. She was loved by all, and I have several memories with her, like on all the functions of school. We used to be together and do everything together. And I remember we roamed the entire school 2 3 times to find just one thing. And there are many more memories when, for example, when we used to go for trips or elocution in other schools in the bus. She had a collection of movies. When we used to play Damsharaj, she used to come with so amazing movies. And yes, I miss her. And after school also, she's in the same classes. So yes, I meet her sometimes. And she is a very sweet person. All the best, Tisha.
Same to you.
Tisha, you would like to say anything to
Thank you so
Hridaya?
much.
Would you like to say anything to Hridaya?
Yes, ma'am. She's also been there for me always. Be it we had almost the same classes since school, and even now we're in the same classes, and we share the same bond. It has not faded over time.
Wow.
So
True friendship, I can say.
Thank you, Tisha.
Thank you, Hridaya. Okay, any other friend?
Hi, can I speak?
Yes, yes, Divya.
Okay, hi Tisha. Good afternoon to all the teachers and people present here. Okay, so it's been an amazing time listening, learning, and spending time with you. And I would like to take this moment to thank you for being so humble and down to earth, for not only helping me but helping all our classmates to cope up with their studies, and for and I would like to thank you especially for your ever glowing face, because you were, I've heard many people since I had been a part of the council member team. I've heard many people that you have motivated them and you have helped them to, you know, realize their mistakes and deliver their best shots. So thank you for all the things, and especially my combined science subject. I still remember that during my print time, I used to sit beside you and take notes beside you, and it was really a fun, thrilling experience learning from you. So thank you, Tisha, for being a part of my life and for being so good to me and to all people.
thank you also for helping me with sports. I was not so good at volleyball, so
You were always good. You didn't realize that you were good.
Thank you, Divya. It's so great to hear what all you feel for each other till today. It's good, great to hear you all. Okay, any other teacher or any friend would like to
Yes,
express?
yes. Me, ma'am.
Yes, Prashant.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Namaste, teachers, and namaste, Tisha. Ma'am,
namaste.
Tisha was a god for us, ma'am, for our batch. She used to, because of her only I passed my chemistry exam. So thank you, Tisha. And um, yeah, Tisha was so. I used to sit with her. I used to learn chemistry with her. She was very great. She used to help me a lot. And everyone should have at least one friend like Tisha.
It was there was Prashant also. I would say there was not one day we used to be sad. It was thanks to Prashant being class comedian, making everyone laugh and keeping everybody happy around.
So it's true ना हर एक friend जरूरी होता है.
I've been
Yes.
I've been with him through classes, and be it any lecture, if you sit beside him, you're laughing continuously, you're smiling continuously. He makes everyone smile, and that's one of the hardest job to do. So
Wow. Thank you,
Thank
Tisha.
you,
Thank you,
Tisha.
Prashant. Okay, any other teacher or student?
Ma'am, I would like to speak. Anisha here. Namaste, everyone. Hello, Tisha.
hi.
I would like to share that since the beginning, Tisha and I were together. I remember during drawing, tennis, and especially bio class, as Zidya mentioned. We used to be together, and especially I used to call her my competition partner, as every time she was with me in the bus and all. We used to go to the same competition most of the time, so I used to enjoy a lot with her. And then in 10th, she helped me as well in chemistry, especially. And yeah, I've shared a good bond with her.
Yeah, Anisha was truly one of the most talented person. She was even more humble than me, I would say. She was truly an overachiever. She used to work hard in silence so many times. But
I've got inspired from you, Tisha.
But she wasn't. I and her were almost together. Be it drawing, be it tennis, like she said. We had almost the similar interest, and we were always together most of the times.
Wow, great. All right, Tisha. So, any other teacher or participant?
Ma'am, I would like
Yeah.
to Krishna. So Tisha used to bring a box, means a tiffin of snacks, and every morning, I and her best friend Sonali, we used to means hurry in the class and check Tisha's bag for the snack, and means I used to tell her, Tisha, the day prior to her, that tomorrow whatever you will bring, first you'll give it to me, and means I'll eat and that. And Sonali used to means hide the tiffin. Means Sonali and Tisha used to plan to hide the tiffin, but now also means then I used to find. But one day what happened? It was chemistry lecture, and it was me, Tisha, Sonali, Vidya, and Adyansh, and we were sitting. Means in a group table, and means Tisha removed her tiffin, so means we were eating some between the lectures, and then in between, Chamba ma'am saw and means she caught us, and then means first of all she shouted and all that, and then she took us to Smita ma'am. So then means few of us started making all the means especially the girls, they started making all those sad faces temporarily, and then means we used to go to Smita ma'am office, and then ma'am used to shout. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
This was one of the funniest memories I remember. We were all caught, and we were so scared. We ate during the lecture, enjoying a lot, but then once we were caught, we were so scared. We were always deciding who's going first to Smita ma'am's cabin.
Good, great.
And this is not the first time Smita ma'am must have caught our batch. We've eaten so many times, be it bio lecture also. Ma'am has caught us into her lecture only.
Okay. It's really funny to hear and to cherish those memories. Okay. Principal ma'am, would you like to share your feelings of this yourself?
Yes, of course. I would not miss it for anything in the world. I would like Tisha to know what I admire and what I love the most about her. See, nobody mentioned throughout the session, and that is the best part of Ramratna International, that she has been the number one scholar in her class over a period of years, the entire schooling. So this school does not define you just by how much you achieve in academics, but what kind of a person you are and what all qualities you have, what all potential you have, not just for studies but for everything. And that anyway does not undermine the fact that she is a great student in terms of studies as well. Now, when one achieves success at such a young age and constantly over the years, it usually happens that it messes with our head. It gets into our head, and it becomes difficult to not be overwhelmed with it, not to become arrogant, and not to become too ambitious, too competitive, which creates negativity. This is something which I admire the most about Tisha. I'm sure the kind of achievement she has achieved as a student. She was a topper of her batch in the IGCSE examinations and every single year before that. What I see is that she never boasted, she never showed off, she never was aggressive. I'm sure it is possible only with the passion. So she does not lack in the area of her passion and dedication, but she was never aggressively passionate. She has endeared herself to everyone, though it is difficult for the toppers Mind you, it's very difficult for the toppers to be loved by each and every person. So it's not just the teachers, but your friends, they all appreciate the kind of person you have been. And I think that is your biggest achievement. Stay humble, stay rooted, keep learning, keep growing. But remember, the more you know, the more you realize that there is more you do not know. So just keep that realization always in your heart. I have no words to express how proud I feel to have a child like you, who is a role model for her peers and the juniors, and even for us. I have a lot to learn from you, Tisha, and I send all my love, hugs, wishes, blessings to you. Keep smiling. Such a sweet, innocent, lovely, passionate girl whose passion is not loud, but it makes itself heard with the results that you deliver. May God bless you. Lots of love to you. Thanks to all the children who have spoken here. It was really a treat to listen to your, childhood memories. It brought back our school memories. So I love this session. Thanks to Avinash for being an incredible host with her lovely smile. Thank you for creating this beautiful experience of this 1 hour. Thanks to all of you. God bless you,
Thank
Tisha.
you so much.
Thank you so much,
It means
ma'am,
a
for
lot.
giving me this opportunity to host this wonderful platform. Thank you so much, Tisha, for being here. And I really love the smile, Tisha. From starting the session till end, I can only say that I really loved the way you spoke. I really loved the way you shared your feelings with your friends, with teachers, and really God bless you. Um, I would just like to say 2 lines for you. Be humble, believe in yourself, and have the love of the world in your heart. Love you a lot. Take care, Tisha.